Yes, I think this is the third video right now. In the series where I'm visiting my old projects or new projects, whatever you can say. In this video, I will be looking into static pages built using HTML, CSS, JS. Um, this primarily has like three basic projects. Firstly, this is um a company portfolio website basically. This is my team. This is the company that I worked as a project manager developer, where we built multiple freelance projects. Um, it's just self-explanatory. Everything is over here, and it's also hosted right now, so it is live. If you want to see the project, if you want to visit the website, just visit over here. Or you can contact us if there is any freelance gigs that you think we can accept. Our second project is the certificate generator website. So it just generates the certificate as it's said in the website. That's it. That's what it does. It's like I give it a template theme. Here I have the template. The data has been loaded static using static pages. So here, as you can see over here, all the static data has been rendered, and it's just creating and replacing based on relative positions. This is a portfolio website of one of my friends. This is a game which me and one of my fellow mates Jnanish built. He looked into all the functionalities, and what I did was I just improved the few UI aspect. Um, so it's not that I developed it myself, but it's more like he did it, and I improved the UI specific to both media view and desktop view. It's a fun game where it's just like yeah, a dance. That's what it does, and that's it. So this was it for the video. You'll see in the next video with the more complex projects in the future. Thank you.